everyone, I am Manjula with you. Sabarimala Temple opening. Sabarimala Ayyappan Temple opens on the 16th October at 5 p.m. for the Aipasi month puja. Devotees will be allowed to perform darshan from the 17th. New male shantis will be selected that morning. Pujas will continue till the 21st. China-Taiwan war. Taiwan is ruled by a democratically elected government. But China continues to insist that Taiwan is only part of its country. A spokesman for Taiwan's defense ministry said the number of Chinese aircraft encroachments on its airspace had increased over the past year. He said warplanes were split into two waves after 39 Chinese planes entered and the action was taken to warn Chinese planes. Most Chinese aircraft are J-16 and Su-30 fighters. Mamata Banerjee wins. The victory of Mamata Banerjee is a testament to the strength of the Trinamool Congress in West Bengal. Due to the victory of the Trinamool candidates in the by-elections, the party's volunteers have started celebrating the victory. With this victory, Mamata will be able to rule for the next 5 years without any problems. Mamata has been an MLA from Bhawanipur constituency since 2011. Plastic-free Tamil Nadu. Minister Mayyanathan attended the Kottamangalam Grama Niladari meeting in Pudukkottai district. He later said the Tamil Nadu government has banned 14 types of plastic items that can be used only once and then discarded. As a result, 3,000 plastics factories in Tamil Nadu have had their licenses revoked. Tamil Nadu will be transformed into a plastic-free state in 3 years. The use of plastic is harmful to the environment and health. So, we need to create awareness among the people about the use of plastic, the minister said. Muscat city flooded by heavy rains. It is 65 km from Muscat, the capital of Oman. Sakin, which was centered in the distant sea area, crossed the coast and there was heavy rain. Heavy rains caused flooding in many parts of the city. Roads and residential areas were left without water due to heavy rains in a short period of time. Vehicles, including cars parked there, were submerged. Water seeped into residential areas, including shops. Thus, the civilians who lived in some places were rescued and kept to stay in safe areas. They were also provided with essential items, including food they needed. Trees were uprooted in some places due to the storm. The traffic was also affected. The waves were 5 feet higher than usual in the sea area. The Muscat International Airport was also flooded due to rain. Due to this, the airline has been suspended. French minister arrives on metro train. Metro rail service has been extended to the Expo 2020 exhibition complex on behalf of the Dubai Roads and Transport Authority. Metro trains run daily from the Jebel Ali area of Dubai to the exhibition complex on this new route called Route 2020. Metro rail is now being used by the general public, visitors and tourists alike ahead of the launch of the World's Fair. But many local dignitaries and businessmen are going on their own vehicles. To everyone's surprise, Frank Riester, France's Minister of Commerce and Economy, arrived on the metro rail with businessmen for the Expo 2020 exhibition. Have a pleasant day. See you again. Thank you.